Okay, for anybody that knows, him and I have been doing some targeting before and trying to incorporate paw. Well, I kind of got him doing a high five now, lo and behold. So if I, and we were doing some paw work, my signal. Now I'm doing just touch. Hey, get out of my food there, goofball. So now watch this. There's my hand. He touched. Treat. I say high five. High five. No, whatever. Really, so right now it's not the word. It keeps going. It's food. So here's my hand. Blizzard. Hey. Liz. Touch. Touch. So he will give paw. It's just a matter of what I want to use for a cue. He's smart enough to know I want something, and it's usually his paw.